the diary. When I'm in Korea. Good morning. So Yanu just got back from his orthodontist appointment. He got his wires tightened today, so on those days he's in a lot of pain. So for breakfast I'm just gonna make him some soup because he can't really chew right now, and then feed him some Tylenol and then send him to school so that he'll be able to chew and eat his lunch. So yes, soup is always good on a cold day. So I'm gonna be making 오뎅국 fish cake soup. Super easy. Of course, you need fish cake of your choice, radish, green onion, let's see, tangle, some 국 soy sauce, minced garlic, soup base, soba noodle sauce, and this tuna sauce. So there's a lot of soup base bags that you can find at H Mart, but then for the fish cake soup, the one with the fish, he's the best. So just stick one of this. 5 of this, 5 pieces. So while I'm cutting up everything, this will be boiling. I have some left from last time. Try to cut it really thin. Go ahead and boil this together because this takes a while for it to cook. Let it boil. So I like to use 2 different types of fish cake. So this is my favorite, the one that says Busan here. I get 2 of these flat ones, 3 of these. So this is frozen, so I'm gonna run it in cold water so it's easier to cut. So I'm really picky on how I cut my fish cake. So this will get really big once it starts to boil, so don't cut it too big. I like to cut it like this. Like mini triangles. Okay, I'm gonna put in the fish cake now, but then this towards the end. Take these out now because this was added just for the soup flavor. Lots of black pepper. Gonna let it boil like this for about 5 minutes. This is one of Yanu's favorite side dish. It's like very tiny dried fish. It's not that hard, it's really soft actually. So he might not be able to eat it right now because his teeth hurt, but I'll eat it. Potato salad. One of my favorites is radish kimchi. Some japchae. Green onions, and boil for about 3 more minutes. So good. Should it taste okay? Say E. Did you get a new wire? Whoa.
잘 먹겠습니다.
If this is too hard, then just leave it. Eat the soft food.
Okay.
Lunch at school is going to be in an hour, so I don't think he's going to be that hungry. So I packed him a little bit of his favorite furikake rice seasoning. So if you go to like Asian marts, they have this, but there's a lot of different kinds, but this is my favorite, and this always sells out for some reason. Rice seasoning with some grapes, and then I'm gonna also put some cucumbers, there's juice in here, and also some water. Oh,
Bye bye.
so I'm gonna put down the tree today. So when you get back from school, the tree will be gone. Okay? Okay guys, so I'll be back after I drop them off. Guys, I'm back from dropping off Yanu at school. I'm going to get ready really quick because I'm gonna have lunch with a friend. I'm going to eat my favorite salmon poke. It's so good, guys. Like Aiden and I, we literally eat there like 2 times a week. My New Year's resolution for the last year of my 30s. I do have a couple who want to start vlogging often. I know I say this all the time, but I'm for real this time. I'm gonna try to vlog at least 2 times a week, so you'll be seeing more videos of mine popping up. I'm gonna try to film more beauty videos in between my vlogs. I want to work out more, take better care of myself. I do Pilates still about 2 times a week, and I do lift weights at home, but I want to do better. The older you get, I heard it's harder to make muscle, so I want to start now before it's too late. So Yeonu is turning 13 this year. He will be a teenager, so I'm kind of trying to like prepare for it, even like emotionally. So in the next year, Yeonu might have a growth spurt and like become way taller than me by the end of this year. We're really busy on the weekdays because the kids have like sports and stuff after school. So yesterday they had jiu-jitsu, today is Thursday, so Sonu has soccer from 5 to 7, and then tomorrow is Friday, so Yeonu has tennis lessons after school. Guys, so a few days ago I did kind of clean out my vanity, like the inside of my drawers, because it was so messy, and I actually threw away so many things because I realized everything was expired. So I bought like clear acrylic like organizer bins from Target, and I organized everything. Of course, the things in here, my makeup bag, it won't be in my vanity table. Let's go. In this drawer, it was full of stuff, but I threw everything away. And here I have my eye stuff, my contacts, eye drops for dry eyes, and then the lid wipes. So after I started using this, I stopped getting like styes. Okay, so this first drawer is all I have now. This is my makeup collection. My makeup bag, I do have some makeup in here. And then these are my favorite face masks and pimple patch. Sun cream, yes, I love the Tarva sun cream, kids sun cream. This is a medicine I got from Korea when I removed my skin warts so that it doesn't get infected. Hand creams, this is the foundation, Laka eyeshadows. I have 2 more in my makeup bag. These are some cushions, 3 concept eyes, and Hera black. Some oil papers. These are my 2 favorite liquid blushes from her, Sunny's brand. Lipsticks, some eye stuff like eyeshadow sticks, mascara, blush. This is an eyeshadow palette. And then these are just random things. Blender, scissors, tweezer, chapstick. And then these are like micro Q-tips that you can use for like nails or makeup. Some hair stuff like my Dyson Airwrap, straighteners, rubber bands. All my brushes and stuff are in the restroom. This last drawer is like random stuff. My favorite skin food, makeup sponges, mask, my envelope collection from Korea, and then 변우석. So in this, all my nail polishes were getting like hard and it was so old. I had some from like 15 years ago. Tossed everything away. This is all I have left now. These are all new ones that I recently got from Korea, like in the past 2 years. And then these are my press-on sticker nails. At the bottom, some random sponges, and then my eyelashes. All my current makeup collection. Okay, so I think Aiden just woke up, so we're gonna head out soon. So Aiden helped me finish the puzzle. Now I have to order a new one. So I've been doing like a food log where I jot down my weight and what I ate every day so that I can keep track of my weight and try to gain weight. It's like write the date, my weight in the morning, what I ate, like if I worked out, if I went to Pilates or not, and I jot down everything, like even tiny snacks, like 2 bites of something. My goal is to gain about 5 kilograms by May. Even trying to gain like 1 kilogram is so hard for me. I just like keep staying there, or like I'll lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight. I have to write what I ate today. Usually I like to carry snacks with me whenever I go anywhere. Today I'm gonna carry this with me. This is the truffle black version of the shrimp chips. Called Poke Work. So good. My friends are already here. Oh! So I'm gonna, there's like different proteins. I'm gonna get salmon.
야채가 조금 있어서 오빠보다 작아 보여.
그러면 갑자기
엄마?
아는 집인가?
Okay, we have about an hour and then we have to go pick up Sonu from school.
근데
Oh my god!
내가 선미한테 You should send me a boat 이거 알아서 Frozen toasted caramel latte.
Picked up Sonu from school. Yanu ends in about an hour. You want to eat? Do you see anything? So the kids got back from school and they're having their after school snack. And then 1 hour we have to go to Sanu's soccer. I did just film a fun reel, so I will be uploading that on my Instagram. The kids filmed like an ASMR eating Oreos. So now I'm gonna take Sonu to his soccer practice really quick, so I'll be back. This is our favorite, the flounder from HEB. I'm gonna make some fish. Again, frying the fishes. I'm warming up the soup from this morning. I'm gonna fry some egg for the bibimbap.
뭐? 비빔밥에 초고추 넣으면 안 되는 거였어.
왜? Some sesame oil.
오늘은 고기 안 넣어?
없어. We usually put bulgogi in here, but we ate it all. Sonu doesn't like bibimbap, but Yanu wants some. Yanu! Come here!
잘 먹겠습니다.
Oh! Here's my
생선.
Target really quick to buy a couple things for lunch tomorrow. Sonu wanted spaghetti, so I had to come buy ingredients. My dark circles. Guys, back from Target. I'm gonna prepare for their lunch stuff tomorrow. This is my favorite kimchi from H Mart. So I left it out for 2 days. I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator today. It tastes so much better when I leave it out. And the pasta sauce and then the noodles. Let the sauce cool off before I put it in the refrigerator. So Sonu doesn't like vegetables, so we chop up the onions and mushrooms very, very tiny so that he can't see it. Today was a long day. Okay, I'm gonna make sure the kids are ready for bed, and then I'm gonna take a nice hot shower. My hair is getting so long again. I'm trying to decide if I should just get a trim right now and like get my hair done when I'm in Korea in May, or if I should cut about like 5 inches off, because I know by May my hair is gonna grow another 5 inch. Okay guys, so tired. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog, and I'll see you guys later.